Welcome to the Design Semantics Database tutorial sessions. The Design Semantics Database, or DSD, is a pioneering semantic design assistant that offers scientifically based insights into the meaning and emotional effects of design choices. You can use the tool for creating, as well as for analyzing. In this session, the colors and shapes of the iconic image of the vampire are analyzed. We will show how color combinations, specific hues and shapes, can enhance the semantic power of an image.
The image of a blood-sucking vampire, going about its business in the dead of night, reaches back to the earliest stages of pre-Christian Slavic paganism. Originating in the animistic and manic phase, in which natural forms and manifestations, spirits and demons, are the object of worship, it fits in with the cross-cultural fertility and death cult of primitive peoples. To the right of the DSD window is the keyword search field. You can look up over 1,800 keywords, and the number is constantly added to. Let's type vampire in the search field. The vampire character is classified under the code black on red because of the dangerous and destructive elements linked to this creature. The first group of keywords are synonyms of the title keyword, or they are closely related in their meaning. Here we find keywords like danger, demon, destruction, and threat. The building block section, at the bottom of the page, lists keywords that are the component parts of the color combination, and its connected hue. In this case, there's the primary black and red, that make up the more complex, black on red, color combination. Black on top represents death, hostility, and violence. Red at the bottom is the color of driven, passion.
In this context, an outspokenly negative and life-threatening meaning is evoked. But in many illustrations of a vampire, this strong meaning is not only generated through the black on red color combination. Let's have a look at the synesthetic design elements within the code black on red. You can find this set of buttons at the right of the DSD screen. Synesthetic means that the design elements within a certain color code evoke the same significance, or different aspects of this significance. If you bring the synesthetic design elements together in an image, you will amplify the power of its meaning, make it clearer, and less ambiguous. First is the link to the color combination page. The second button shows the connected hue. In this case, the connected hue is green 4, a mixture of the two primary colors green and purple. Third in the set is the button that will guide you to related shapes, which are classified by their distinct parameters. The fourth button will guide you to a set of shapes that are mixtures of the two primary shapes with code green and purple. The last button offers related textures.
Although vampires are generally represented in black on red, in some illustrations this color combination is applied together with the codically related specific hue green 4. Or green 4, used solely. It is a bluish pale green, a mixture of primary green and purple. When looking at the matching emotions of these two primary colors, we find green conveying sadness and purple expressing fear.
Let's have a closer look at the shapes used in the images of a vampire. The hairy shape in the Amityville vampire movie poster forms a dense and wild tangle that fits with the black on red shapes. These shapes are classified by their distinct parameters. The wild tangle shape can be described as having an asymmetrical structure, horizontally oriented, with many large, rough, and rounded strokes.
The vampire's demonic element is also conjured up through its claws and fangs. Hook-shaped teeth and talons are typical for the green 4 shapes. Green 4 shapes are a mixture of the primary shapes, green and purple. The primary green shape element adds a certain sharpness that can be found in nature, in the stems of plants or in the leaves. The primary purple shape element is responsible for the slimy and sucking aspect of the shape. The hook shape is within the demonic context, the ultimate shape for expressing the destructive and life-threatening meaning. Causing fear and sadness, it is the weapon of the demon. Other creatures resorting under this same code, and equally sporting those hook-shaped teeth, talons, noses or beaks, are demons, hawks, dragons, and witches.
In the context of demonic creatures such as the vampire, the color combination black on red, the codically related specific hue green 4, the dense and wild tangle shape, and the hook shape, are strong markers of a destructive life-threatening meaning that evokes sadness and fear.
In this session, we explained how color combinations, specific hues, and shapes can enhance the semantic power of an image.
We hope you enjoyed this tutorial session. Any questions or remarks? Just contact us.